Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Shareit on both phones. This creates the fast transfer environment. Once both apps are open, make sure Wi-Fi is on. Shareit uses direct Wi-Fi, not cellular. You should disable any personal hotspots to avoid network conflicts. This prevents connection failures. Keep screens awake and grant the app permissions for storage and location, because Android needs location to scan nearby devices. Now, choose the files you want to send on the source device and tap Send to begin. Once you tap Send, Shareit either creates a direct hotspot or advertises the device via Wi-Fi. That is why the receiver must tap Receive and scan. When you see the sender's avatar or hotspot SSID on the receiver, tap it. This establishes the peer-to-peer link. On iOS, the system may ask you to join a Wi-Fi network. Accept it so Shareit can talk directly. Make sure the sender waits on the transfer screen while the receiver completes the join, because timing matters for a stable handshake. You now monitor the transfer progress. Shareit shows file progress and speed, faster than Bluetooth because it uses Wi-Fi direct. Once complete, tap Done and check the Photos app or your file manager for received items. That confirms integrity. If the transfer stalls, pause and retry or cancel and restart the session. A reliable troubleshooting step is to toggle Wi-Fi or restart Shareit. If issues persist, reboot the device. That clears network caches and resolves most peer discovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.